Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to install extensions in Chrome. So a browser extension, it is a software module which the users can use to customize their web browser, including the user interface modifications, blocking the ads and cookie management. To learn in more details, you can come back here later. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now I am at my desktop. So what I'm going to do is go to the typepad to search and search for the Google Chrome. Then click over here. Then what I'm going to do is search for the Chrome Web Store. And then click over here. Then click on the Chrome Web Store. Now I'm going to install an extension called the Grammarly and hit enter. So this is the one, the Grammarly for Chrome. Then I will have to click over here. Then I will have to click on the add to Chrome. Then I have to click on the add extension. And now it is installing the extension for me. So it is being installed. So once it is done, you will get a message that the Grammarly for Chrome has been added to Chrome. So there is like a the puzzle icon, that is the extensions icon. So what you can do is you can click over here, then you can pin the extensions you want near you. Also you can unpin them. You can also unpin you can also pin which ones you want, like any, and you can also unpin them. So you can use whichever you want and you can unpin them as well. So I'm going to pin the Grammarly, and then you can just simply click on the icons to just select whatever you want. So this is how you can install extensions in Chrome. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have covered how to install extension in Chrome. Thank you for watching.